All right, Gary, let's take a cruise in a restored 64.5 Mustang Convertible.
Yeah, D-code, man, 289 V8 4-barrel.
Yep, back when the Mustangs first came out, that was like the hypo model, right?
Yep, yeah, instead of an A-code.
Yep.
Yeah.
So pretty nice. It's got all the options you want. It's got factory air conditioning, or the Mark IV that they used to put in at the dealer.
Yeah.
It's got the Rally Pac system, factory tack and clock.
Yeah, clock works.
That's cool. Power steering, upgraded power disc brakes. It had power brakes from the factory, but they were just the drums. So now it stops a lot better.
Power top, glass window in the back.
Yep, that's brand new. A lot of stuff is new. The motor's been rebuilt. It's got new top, new interior, new paint, all done at high quality shops. So now you'd be real happy to see this one in person. It shows very well. Original colors too. Nothing was changed from the original features that it had.
Yeah, Prairie bronze.
Prairie bronze, yep, with Palomino interior.
Yeah.
It's like the horse.
Well, yeah, it's got a center console. That's always nice.
So it's a horsey interior, not a pony interior.
Yeah, that's right. Saddle.
Saddle.
It's a saddle.
Yep. But pretty cool car. It's got the original AM radio in there still. Center console's always nice to see too. So pretty loaded for the first ones that came out. I don't know how long down the line this one was.
The only thing it has that, you know, is like it's got a generator instead of an alternator.
Ah, that's one of the giveaways for 64.5.
Oh yeah. There's a few other things, but you know, really nice car. Drives well.
It's got those 14-inch spoke wheels too, with the spinners that hang out for shredding the car next to you, just like in Greece.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the Ford Crest.
Yep. All right, we'll take some more pictures here.
All right, look at this. 1964.5 Mustang Convertible. Really nice, done up in a Prairie bronze. That's the color on it, with Palomino interior. It's a D-code card, so it's a 289 with a 4-barrel. That was 4A code. Pretty nice car. It's got power steering. And the only upgrade, it's got power front disc brakes. It had power brakes before, but they're drums. So that's a nice upgrade to have. You want to stop. And it's got the C4 automatic, you know, transmission, 3-to-1 rear end ratio. It's got Rally Pac inside. It's got the under dash air conditioning. And it's a really nice car. Drives really well. Power top. Everything on this car was restored. One owner type car. And this guy picked it up and he did a restoration on it, and now it's up on the market. And he did a really great job. Everything looks nice. All the colors are correct. And let me show you the interior here on it. Really nice job on the seats. There's your under dash air conditioning, AM radio, Rally Pac. Well, the clock even still works on the Rally Pac, which is nice. And carpet's really nice. Everything, like I said, has been redone. Real great shape. On the convertible top, it's got a glass rear window, so that's, you know, a lot better because they don't fog out. Really good looking car. And we're going to go ahead and show you the engine on it. One more thing before I do that is it's got the Ford Crest, the tricolor. The spinner hubcaps, those are a really cool option. And I remember back in the day, I mean, my mom had them on her Mustang, and my dad goes, oh, those things are gonna get stolen, you know. So anyways, this one's got them. Look nice. All right, here's the engine compartment here on the Mustang. Like I said earlier, 289 4-barrel. A lot of good detail done to it. You see the big old compressor there for the AC, and it's got the upgraded. That's the upgrade there for the power front disc brakes. That's a welcome upgrade. But you know, you put the little bag on there for the windshield wiper for the windshield washers, and it's got the little generator there. That's a little telling clue that it's a 64.5. But it looks great, and I like the way it looks, and I like the way it drives. You know, it's really a nice car. So we're gonna go ahead and start this up. Yeah, nice and quiet, rebuilt, 289, rock solid engine. No big headers on it, but we'll let you listen to the exhaust. Yeah, nice and quiet, but yeah, you can make it no more noisy if you want, but I just like the way it is. It's nice and stock the way it is, and it's a stunning looking car. And we got this car over here at California Cars, 818-591-1313. We're located in Simi Valley. And if you want to come out and take a look at this car, you can talk to me, I'm Gary, or you can talk to Rich, who's over there in the car resting. And we'd be more than happy to show you this car. Really a nice, you know, stock looking, good looking car.